Hello my friends, welcome back. We are going to make some delicious fish tacos today. I just got back from running some errands and I really wanted a fish taco, and so I decided to hurry and make these. This is super easy. I'm not going to say quick because you do have to cook the fish generally. The fish that I'm using is the Tortilla Crusted Tilapia from Costco, and it makes the most delicious fish tacos. So if you love fish tacos, you're in for a treat. First of all, heat your fish according to the directions on the package. If you have fresh fish, you can use that. If you have shrimp, you can use it. If you want to use a packaged shrimp that's frozen or a packaged fish that's frozen, go ahead and cook it according to the directions on the package. Make sure it's cooked. These are not ceviche tacos. These are cooked fish tacos. So my first step, I fried my tortillas. We've got a little video that shows how we fried the tortillas. I've got my fried tortillas, I've got my fish cooked, and then I'm gonna help show you real quick how to put these together. Okay, so let's move all the pretty stuff. We've got our lime, we've got cabbage, and we have a cilantro lime dressing that we're gonna use. And then there's my little secret ingredient at the end, a couple of them. I always have a little something that's different than, I like to think it's different than somebody else's. So if you don't like your tortillas fried, go ahead and just use a plain corn tortilla. If you don't like corn tortillas, go ahead and use, you know, a flour tortilla. If you don't like tortillas, go ahead and just use fish. Anyway, let me grab, oh, here's my knife. Okay, I'm just gonna grab a knife real quick and kind of just gently cut up the fish so that it's kind of chunky. And then we're gonna put that in the tortilla first. I might as well just keep this here. And I made enough for 3 tacos. I probably will only eat 2 because it's just lunch. And stick that down in there. My tortillas are a little bit crispy, so I'm hoping these, I tried to get that gap in there so everything would fit. And this one's a little bit better. This tilapia from Costco is super delicious. It's got kind of a seasoned tortilla crust on it. It's very light, but it gives it a little bit of a kick. So it does have some spice to it. I do like spice, and so that works for me. I'm gonna put this this fish. I guess if you don't like fish, you can have chicken. It might not taste the same. I just want to taste the fish. So delicious. Sometimes I just cook this up when I'm home alone and whatever. I just cook up a piece of this fish when I don't really have time for a meal. Okay, so now I'm gonna put these in my little taco holder. And I am going to pour, let's put some cabbage on them first. Okay, so cabbage is pretty authentic to fish tacos. So we're gonna put some cabbage on. If you don't like cabbage, if you prefer lettuce, you can do that. And then you guys, I never said I wasn't a messy cook. I'm a home cook. I might be a messy cook, but I cook delicious food. So now I have a little bit of this cilantro lime dressing we made the other day. It has, whoops, didn't mean to tip it that far. It has tomatoes, cilantro, ranch dressing mix, lime, garlic. It's got all kinds of good things. So look for the video. It'll be attached to this. And we're gonna put a little bit of this on as a moisturizer. And then just a little, if you want a little bit more heat. You guys, I have a funny story about this. This is called El Pato tomato sauce, and you probably have it in the, they call it the Hispanic foods in our grocery store, but it could be by your tomato sauce or whatever. It's a spicy tomato sauce. And when we were eating at this one restaurant, my son asked him, he said, he goes, what is the hot sauce? What is the red sauce that you use on the tacos? And they said, it's duck sauce. And so we were like, duck sauce? You know, thinking that maybe it was an Asian food or something, because where do you ever hear duck sauce? And so I said, I know that flavor. I think I've had that flavor before. And we came home and we looked in the pantry, and here is the can of sauce. And it has a duck on it, and the girl thought it was called duck sauce. So she called it duck sauce. She goes, it's called duck sauce. And so anyway, we figured out what the sauce is, and I'm just gonna pour, whoops. Well, that was messy. Let me try this again. Let's put it in something else and try and pour it. I've got those tortillas really full, so let's see if this helps. Okay, so I'm just gonna pour a little bit of this over the top. Perfect. Okay, maybe a little messy, but they're gonna be delicious. And a squeeze of lime, just a little squeeze of lime. And what do you think? Should we taste them? Let's taste it. I wish I had somebody to clean up after me, but I don't, so here we go. I'm gonna hold over my little plate. And when you do your cabbage, just like a little fine shred. Chop, whatever. Okay, here we go. Let's have a taste. You guys, that is delicious. There's just the right amount. I always learn never to talk with my mouth full, but if we wait till I finish chewing, I chew really slow. Just the right amount of crunch. Did you hear the crunch? Just the right amount of heat. Just, the fish is perfectly tender. Tortillas are nice and crunchy. Cabbage gives it a little crunch. The duck sauce gives it a little heat. And the cilantro lime dressing just kind of gives it elevates it to another flavor. So anyway, that's my quick and easy fish taco. And if you'd like to try it, I'd love to hear back from you and see what you think of it. Thanks for joining today. If you love this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel so you can see more, and we'll see you again next time. Okay, my friends, if you have loved this video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe, and also hit the bell notifications so that you will find out when we post a new video. See you next time.